So in this session, we will discuss about dynamic SQL. That means here we have written one select query and execute it. So this query we call it as static query. Dynamic query means if you send table name or column name as a parameter, that means if it is to be changed dynamically, then we call it as dynamic query. So dynamic SQL means if you are able to send table name or column name or any database object as a parameter to the procedure, okay, that is called dynamic SQL. So here I am taking one procedure. So dynamic SQL means sending database objects as a parameter, so that if I pass any database object, then I have to get the data related to that database object. For example, in a database you have 100 tables. If I pass table name as a parameter to the database, as a parameter to the procedure, then I have to get the data from a particular table name. Okay, see this. See here, list of table names are there: CTE, DEPT, EMP, EMP120. If I pass DEPT as a parameter to the procedure, I have to get the data from DEPT table. If I pass EMP to the procedure, then I have to get the data from EMP table, like that. So here table is called database object, or in this table, if there is a requirement that is called, if you pass column name as a parameter, then we need to write the logic for that also. Okay, so we will see one by one. So here I am writing one procedure, dynamic select, and for this dynamic SQL, these are the 4 key terms in dynamic SQL. Okay, one is @query. It will forms select statement concatenating the table name. Okay, not at all select statement, any statement. Okay, so it is used to construct the SQL statement. And prepare statement, this statement prepares the statement for execution, and it will assigns one name. You can assign any name. Execution command, it executes the statement prepared by the prepared name. Whatever you have defined one name here, that name it will execute it. Reallocate means it will release as the prepared statement. Okay, so these are the 4 key terms which we have used in dynamic SQL. Okay, so first one, and here our first task is sending table name as a parameter. Take care of 50, and here see this @query, set @query concat this is the our regular select query, based on this we need to write the dynamic query. Okay, so first one is select, SE select, and here you can write select star from. Here you can write table name. Table name we are getting as a parameter, and give the semicolon, and here prepare statement. So prepare stmt from @query, and next step is execute that statement. So execute mt. Next one is deallocate. Deallocate stmt. Now it is here call. I am passing DEPT. See this. So I am getting data from DEPT table. If I pass EMP, then I am getting data from employee table. Okay. Another task is if I pass table name along with column name. So I don't want to get all column names. I want to get specified column name. Then how to do that? P underscore column name care of 50. Then take this column parameter, and here see this. After select, generally we used to give some space, and then comma, and here give that parameter name, and see this. Here after giving quotations I am giving some space before the from. Okay, see this select statement. According to the select statement we have to prepare the dynamic query. Okay, now we will see whether it will work or not. So first one is table name, next one is column name. So this column name should be quotations. See this. Okay, like this we will write the dynamic query. Okay.